Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, something like that was so magnificent. Well, I had this one fellow in our class. He would always walk. We had this chalkboard that was close to the wall, and he would always walk back behind there, and people would forget that he was back there. He'd stay back there for a few minutes, and then he would just fart so loud. Like the class would carry on. It'd be 8 minutes later, the teacher would be giving, and you'd forget. It was trapped in this little sound space. And it was just
surprising a room with a fart.
Yeah.